Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris with Committed 3D Tech. If you're watching this video, it's likely because you're wondering how I have over $8,100 in my Crypto.com account. So I started with this platform less than 8 months ago. In this video, you're gonna see I went on a vacation using the Crypto.com MCO Visa. So I spent some money on that. Basically, my actual value from Crypto.com after the money I've spent is $9,650.50, roughly. And on top of that, because I've gotten $6,500 worth of cryptocurrency in referral bonuses, that also means that number is doubled, which puts our total to over $16,000 in rewards and earnings, and also price increase from holding our cryptocurrency. It's just absolutely amazing how lucrative this platform has been, not only for me, but for all of you as well. So basically, I'm gonna give you my 5 reasons of why I love Crypto.com, and then I'll tell you my plan with going forward. And of course, one of the reasons I absolutely love the platform is because of the MCO Visa. In this video, I'll show you some clips from the vacation that I paid for entirely with the Crypto.com MCO Visa. I have the Ruby Red and I absolutely love it. I've thought about upgrading to the Jade Green, but it just hasn't been the right time for me. Plus I have some other plans as far as what I'm going to be doing with my cryptocurrency. We'll talk about that later in the video. Last but not least, because all of you have helped this channel grow so much, I'm going to do a Bitcoin giveaway with some of the earnings that I've made from Crypto.com. So I'm going to do a $100 worth of Bitcoin giveaway to one lucky winner. So stick around for the end of the video. I'll tell you, you have to leave a certain comment in the description, along with your public Bitcoin address, not your private one. We've talked about that before. Never, ever, ever, ever give out your private key. It's not smart. So stick around for the end of the video. We'll make sure you get all the info on that, and let's get to the content. Oh, by the way, smash the like button if you haven't. So reason number 1 that I love Crypto.com is because the referral program, it really is no beating it. So basically, if you use my referral link, or really anyone who has Crypto.com, if you use their referral link and you sign up for the Ruby Red MCO Visa, so the same one that I have, basically what happens, you stake 50 MCO to sign up for the Ruby Red Visa, and in return, you and I both get $50 worth of MCO. And as you can see from my earnings, you know, it's been extremely lucrative. I cannot complain with it at all. It's just been really, really good. Now, I will also mention, I don't know how long this offer is gonna last, and I am very bullish when it comes to cryptocurrency, especially for this year and how the economy is going. So I would suggest jumping on the offer, getting your free $50 worth of MCO as a sign-up bonus sooner rather than later. Reason number 2 that I love this platform is going to be the crypto earn feature, which basically it gives you rewards for staking your cryptocurrency. Some other platforms do this, but they just don't do it as well as Crypto.com. And I'll tell you why. Crypto.com just really hit the nail on the head because they give you good rewards right off the bat. I have only been holding CRO in the earn feature for maybe a few months, and I've already made $171.74 just from holding that. And it's really amazing because you look at the terms for it. This one is on flexible terms. So basically I can pull that cryptocurrency out and sell it at any time. I've gained that $171 worth of rewards regardless of whatever happens. So it's pretty amazing. Now I'm getting 12% per annum for CRO, but if I did a 1-month term, that would go up. If I did a 3-month term, that would go up. I believe it goes all the way up to 16 or 18% for CRO in specific. Now, for those of you who are wondering, CRO is cryptocurrency's native payment token. And I think they're doing amazing things with that. We'll talk about more of those in just a few minutes too. So the crypto earn feature is just really, really great. And I absolutely love it because it's like getting free money for your cryptocurrency. Reason number 3 is smashing the like button. Just destroy it, obliterate it, because that's gonna help push this video further to a larger audience. So if you do that, I genuinely appreciate it every time you do. Reason number 3 is because the user interface is just clutch. It's so smooth, so I don't have to worry about it like freezing and crashing. Like, what you see is what you get. And to be honest, it's a very easy layout to go through. Anything with cryptocurrency is going to be like a little bit complicated, obviously. That's why you come to watch these tutorial videos, so you can understand the best way to do it. But I mean, you know, you have this main menu right here. You can go to pretty much everything that you need. You can go to your card, you can track the cryptocurrency, you can go to your fiat wallet, everything. It's very, very straightforward. Let's say I wanted to, you know, transfer some of my Bitcoin from another place into here. I can go here and deposit it into there. Boom. It's just really simple. The interface is really, really smooth, and it makes everything just flow really, really nicely. But they've also been consistently coming with updates and just making the platform better overall. Like I said, I've only been on the platform for 8 months, and I've already seen so many good features come up from it. I can't brag enough for what Crypto.com has done. Now, reason number 4 that I love this platform is that they've done some really cool stuff with the pay feature. Basically, they're just building more utilizations of cryptocurrency. This is one, it's not as good as the MCO Visa, but basically in this, what you can do is you can send money to friends, you can receive money from friends, and it will be in CRO. Not only that, but they give you lots of great rewards when it comes to that, and the percentage is huge. Another thing that some cryptocurrencies are doing is giving you this option to top up airtime on your phone. Obviously, in America, this isn't as common, but it's pretty cool because that means you can top up the data on your phone directly from your Crypto.com app. Now, you can also send money here, like this says. This is actually going over the bonus that you can get. Both of you would get $50 if you sign up a new user. But you can send money to your friends that way. And then also you can get these gift cards as well. Something really cool. You see lots of different rewards. I use Uber Eats all the time to order food. And look at this, 20% cash back if you're staking CRO, or you can get 10% cash back just from paying with your CRO. That's pretty wild. Think about if you had a credit card that gave you 10% rewards for buying food. So this is giving you the opportunity to do that. Not only that, but the reward comes back in CRO as well. So for me, what I do all the time is I put fiat currency in just to spend it on things that are going to give me rewards in cryptocurrency. So it's kind of like a win-win where, you know, I'm going to spend the money anyways, but now I'm just getting rewards back. Similar to using a credit card. That's the whole reason I use a credit card. I don't do it to purchase things I can't afford. I do it because it gives you rewards and it's a win-win-win across the board. And of course, last but not least, this is probably my favorite reason for Crypto.com. It's because it gives cryptocurrency a huge utility in the world. So it's not just an investment at this point. It's actually something that you can easily cash in on and use out in the real world. And that is the MCO Visa. You can see right here, I don't have too much money on my card because I really love holding my cryptocurrency. So with the Ruby Red, I can get 100% back on my Spotify, and then I also get 2% back on every single purchase that I make. And then of course, there aren't any monthly fees, no annual fees, no delivery fees. I have a 0 monthly fee at the ATM for withdrawing up to $400, and after that it's only 2%, which is smart because, to be honest, you don't want people pulling out all the money anyway. We really want to be holding cryptocurrency, especially if it's going to continue to bull market the way it has been. And then of course, you know, it is a metal card. It has the contactless payment, which are things that I just really love about the card. But the reason it's so fun is because now I can actually take my cryptocurrency and use it out in the real world. And so what we did this past weekend, I went to South Padre Island, the very south of Texas, and it was absolutely gorgeous. I had a wonderful time. The thing that I did on this trip, I paid for the entire thing on my MCO Visa using cryptocurrency. So what do you think? Should we roll through the montage? Let's do it. Go through everything that I spent, and we'll come back and talk about how much reward I got back for using my MCO Visa. Let's do it! Important part of going on a trip, obviously, you need to get snacks. So we're gonna prep, go get some snacks. Yeah, candy's always good for a road trip. Jelly beans. What trip is complete without the chips? Fella's choice. All right, so it's 5:30 in the morning. We're making the maiden voyage down to South Padre. It's about 8 hours from here, and we're not gonna stop for anything. Could I get a sausage McMuffin with egg? Thanks so much. You too. Blueberry bagel with the blueberry cream cheese. So we got to get some cash so we can go see Cristo de los Pescadores. Also a double smoked bacon and cheddar. So, between all of the food, the hotel, it actually wasn't that expensive of a trip. You know, we drove down there. All in all, it cost $767.50 in total. Now, what that totaled out to be was 4.0199 MCO tokens. And at the current value price, as you can see here, that totals out to $21.51 in cash back. So basically what that means is with the price increasing, it actually averaged out to 3% rewards in cash back, which the card is only 2%, but you see, as you HODL your cryptocurrency, it could rise, it could fall. In this case, it rose, and it ended up being a good investment for me, not only for the cash back, but also for the HODL rewards of it going up. So all in all, when it comes down to this, what's my plan going forward? I typically don't like to spend my cryptocurrency. That's an investment that I want to hold. I'm bullish on all cryptocurrency across the board, whether it's Bitcoin or MCO or CRO. And on top of the pay platform, like I've mentioned time and time again, Crypto.com is an SEO marketer's dream. It is literally the website that people will go to when they search crypto or cryptocurrency. It's one of the first ones that pops up. So from a marketing standpoint, Crypto.com made a huge move when they bought that domain name. And they're set up for success because of that. Because let's be honest, adoption is a huge issue with has been a huge issue with cryptocurrency because not everyone gets it and understands its value yet. That's one of the reasons I make these videos, is because I want people to understand the value that it's going to have and bring in the future, decentralizing currency. Keep that in mind. I'll actually tag a link down in the description for a video where I go over fiat currency and legal tender and the similarities and differences between cryptocurrency and why crypto is so important for our future. So last but not least, I'm sure y'all want to know about the giveaway. So all you need to do is comment down below, what is your favorite cryptocurrency right now? What cryptocurrency is just getting you super jazzed up for 2020? Comment that down below along with your public Bitcoin address, and I'll pick a winner, $100 worth of Bitcoin sent directly from me. Last but not least, make sure you smash the like button for me, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, because I'm coming out with lots of new content. As you saw in the video, I actually got a brand new drone. I bought it without telling my girlfriend how much it cost. It ended up being $900. I got it overnighted to me because I was just so excited to bring it on the trip. And it got some pretty sick footage that you could see in the video. Anyway, aside from that, I have some videos coming out. One about the new Mavic Air 2 drone. It is sick and such a bargain. Some really, really awesome videos coming out about Tesla. I also have some plans that tie Tesla and crypto together. So make sure you turn the notification bell on, and that way you'll get notified anytime I come out with a new video, including an update for my XYO fans. I'm gonna be coming out with that video within a week. Other than that, I just wanna say thanks from the bottom of my heart. Can you believe our channel is almost at 6,500 subscribers? In less than a year, we have built this channel to such a great community. And so I'm just genuinely thankful for all of you, everyone who likes the videos, subscribe to the channel, and comments. I know there are a lot of you who actually wait for my next video and you just can't wait for it to come out. So from the bottom of my heart, I'm just genuinely thankful. This channel literally would not be what it is without you. So thanks again. With that being said, thanks for tuning in. My name is Chris with Committed 3D Tech, and we'll catch you next time.